Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the cycle of the Solana market. In this video, I will launch a meme coin and show you a primitive and quick pull. First, I'll go to Deck Screener to pick a good design from the top meme coins. Now, wait a couple of minutes. Breda's wife. Okay, so it's just cooking. What is this? Now, I guess it's going to be a full live video, so you can watch all of this to the end. So we should copy this, put it here. Okay, nice. So come here and just like that. Okay, nice. And now for the supply, UCT decibels is 9. You want to do the same. So 1. So when you have the one that you want to put line mar decibels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 line. There you go. So it's going to be 1 billion. Going on here. Such a description. We just kind of make some random description up. Or we can copy their description. Okay, so nice, we have description now. You want to select this? Well, it's optional, but just for me, I'm going to select it. This isn't actually a real website, I'm just putting some random shit. So it makes my kind more trustable overall, so I get more investors. Yeah, and for the social tax, I'm just going to, this is optional, but I'm going to add this so we get more investors. Because if they see this, then it just makes it more trustable. So I'm going to copy their website, and I'm going to copy their Twitter also. Okay, now we come over to the Investors Booster. Now, it's called this so the website doesn't get banned or whatever, but pretty much here is where we can remove the liquidity of the coin. Now, because we're making the coin, we're going to be owning most of the coin you have. Even if we put 100 bucks into the coin or 50 bucks, we're still going to be owning most of it because we are making the coin now. You got to select these so you can remove the liquidity. Now, with this, you can also revoke in and revoke update and revoke freeze, which pretty much, it freezes our money so they can't take it back out. Without these two selected, it'll only cost 0.3, which is the cheapest coin one shot on the market. But because we're selecting these, we're gonna select 0.5. Now, guys, we're gonna make our money back straight away. So, I'm just gonna select these. Okay, now connect your wallet. Make sure what's connected. Okay, nice. You better get this. Just quick confirm. And you was going to be connected. You can log out at any time. There we go. Keep in mind we've got 700 bucks in our wallet now, and let's see how much we make afterwards. But yeah, you want to click launch token here. Proceed. Confirm. Now the reason I say all this is because the API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then just simply don't use it. And so it's completely up to you. Now we just want to wait for the website to load. This shouldn't take too long. Okay, perfect. Change that consent. Now this is your transaction ID. You can copy and paste this. Okay, as you can see, congratulations, your Solana 2.0 pesos to create. Okay, so as you want to go into your wallet, scroll down, you just see that your tokens here, and you're currently holding 1 billion of it. Okay, so now we're going to create the liquidity pool. So now you want to click on liquidity pool here. Double tap onto liquidity here, quick create. You want to click standard AMM, quick create. There we go. Okay, so now that you're on quit into your profile. Make sure you're locked in. When I come down here, click onto your token, click on the 3 dots, click on to be on Solana. Bead network. If it doesn't, then you want to click onto this token address. Go on a quick copy. When you're ready, you want to come here, select this, make sure it's selected as Sol, and then for your top one, you want to come here. And you want to get your token address as I just showed you, and you want to select it right here, put it right here, and then you want to put your name. So mine was Brunette's wife, whatever. There we go. Add user token, and then you just want to select that. There you go. Okay, so now here you go, listen carefully. So here's where you decide how much of the liquidity you want to own. The current liquidity we can make is 1 billion, but we want to own quite a lot of that. So we're going to own 100 million of it, and we're going to send the rest, the 900 million, to the liquidity pool. So you want to go to 900 million, just like this. There you go. And then this will leave us with 10% off the claim. So, we can dump on them. Very good with that. And if free a soul, here we're just going to put, the more you put, the more you can dump. But for this example, I'm just going to put 4, so I have 0.5 left. And if you're using less, like 1 sol or 2 sol, then I recommend putting your fee high to like 4%. But because we're using 4 sol, we're going to put our percentage fee to. So now we want to initialize the report. Now, as soon as you click this, that means people are ready to buy in. Okay, so quick. Initialize the report. Okay, nice. So your pool is created successfully. Click, you want to quit on got it, and then you want to go over to portfolio standard. Now you just want to wait until your pool has arrived. It's going to take a couple minutes, but as you can see here, we're holding 100 million, and if you want to check in the wallet, there we go. We're holding 100 million. All our money is in the winner right now. Okay, nice. So you want to go over to with your address, you want to go to Detonator or any platform. You want to click on some random token, copy the link out. Okay, there we go. Now we can just go wait until your token appears. Now this shouldn't take longer than 5 to 10 minutes, and then your token should appear on the market. Okay, as you can see, our token is on the market, Bernard's wife. Now, if you want to scroll up, we added deal liquidity here at 900. Now, we are getting a few buyers. Most of them are snipers, some of them are real, but they bought and they sold. Okay, now we're just going to wait and see how it performs. Give it between 5 to 10 minutes before it actually does hit the market, because these are just snipers. And yeah, I'll get back to you when it starts picking up motion. It should only take about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's 4 minutes old. As soon as it gets for about 5 minutes old, as soon as it gets 5 minutes old, you are going to see a lot of buyers. Okay, we have had a big buyer here. We got $7.98. It's nearly about 5 minutes old. So now we just want to wait. As I said, this is all live. I really don't want to fake any of this. But yeah, while we wait for the buyers to come in, let's just look at some stuff right here. So as you can see, the liquidity. Pretty much every single investor what you get here, because we made the liquidity, we owned 900 million% of it. So every single investor up higher what we get, we owned their money pretty much. So as soon as we come over to Radium, it hasn't loaded yet, but I'm going to show you. We get to take out all their money, so we get to keep all of this. So obviously it's 5 minutes old now, so we should start getting and seeing the buyers. I'll get back to you in about 10-20 minutes to see how it's doing. Okay, so the client is 7 minutes old. Started to pick up. So we got another $60 buy, $9 buy, $1 buy, $6 buy. Okay, so they're not holding in a lot of money, but it's doing okay. Okay guys, so it's been nearly 10 minutes now. We have 70 buys and 6 sells. It's doing pretty good when you make your kind. You're only gonna make it like $200, $400, $500. Sometimes if it's a real good narrative, then yeah, it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go to $10 million market cap. It is possible. The more coins you make, the more percent chance you have. Like Raul said, he made 150 coins before he made his first coin went to $10 million market cap. Now, that's absolutely insane to her. Anything's possible in this world. But yeah, so we're just gonna leave it for some more minutes. Though someone just bought 180 bucks. Okay, we're gonna report. Yo, some more people actually buying. 200 and 180, 21. Anyone else more? Anyone else got buy? I don't think so, guys. Okay, yeah. You want to refresh to see our profits? We can take out. Look, I'm here, 100. There, that we can take out 6.7 sol. Okay, so I think I'm going to rogue blip. Let me just refresh, make sure they're normal buyers, because I want to get the most profit we can here. Okay, I feel like these buyers are going to take out, because one of them Ariechi did take out here. Let's give it like 5 more seconds, and I want to road it. Okay, I feel I'm gonna rogue it, so you come here. Let's just refresh one more time. Make sure everything's... Oh, okay. 6.7 sol. You want to click remove liquidity. Now just wait. Click here. Okay, 6.7 sol or number of confirm. Remove liquidity. Now, this is probably going to go to nothing. Okay, now this is going to go to nothing. Let's see. It's going to say remove liquidity because we added 900 here, and now it's going to say remove 900. Okay, there we go. Remove 500 net. Okay, nice. Now, if we come here, see our profits. Nice. We are on $1,000. So from 700 to 1,000 nets, you know, it's quite a decent amount. You know, that was easy. And if you want to sell the rest of this, just go on 2D Solana Incinerator and you can sell like that. But yeah, someone else actually bought 21. Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright everyone, that pretty much brings us to the end of what I wanted to show you today. As you can see, the whole cycle is actually quite straightforward when you have everything lined up and you know exactly what you're looking for. I really wanted to walk you through how I handle these quick sessions from the very first moves of picking the look until everything is finally wrapped up and finished. It's always interesting to see how things move in real time, and I'm glad you could stick around to see how I bring it all to a close once the timing feels right. For me, it's all about staying efficient and not overcomplicating the situation. So once I've seen what I needed to see and the video's done, I just move on and let it be. I hope this gave you a good look at my routine and how I manage my time when I'm focusing on these things. It's definitely a unique way of doing things, but once you get the hang of it, it all starts to make sense. If you have any thoughts about the way I handled everything, or if you're curious about any specific part of the flow we just went through, definitely write a comment below. I really enjoy reading what you guys have to say, and it helps me figure out what to show you next. I think I'm going to go ahead and sign off now, maybe grab a coffee and see what else is happening later on. Thanks again for spending your time with me today. I really appreciate the support, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all in the next one.